Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's project is fix the flat tire. I'm gonna use this Victor tire fix kit to fix the tire. Some protection you need to have is safety boots, gloves, safety glasses, maybe a plier as well. So take a look. Here, there's a nail. Ideally, you should take off the tire, but I'll just give it a try if I can remove the nail without taking off the tire. I'll give it a try, but ideally you should take it off if it's in another place. So here we go. From the tire repair kit, you can see we have this needle. We also have this one to put the plug inside that. For this kit, there are 5 pieces of this. And I'm gonna use this screwdriver to unscrew this screw. We're gonna see how it goes. Okay. All right, let's try to unscrew it. As you can hear that, I'm already able to remove it. So use this. Up and down. Wow, it's tight. Just remove, make it. So next up, I'm gonna put some of the top. Okay, you take off one plug from here, and if you cannot go through directly from the hole on the tool, you can use your flat driver to open a little bit. Then you can slide in, just like that. So you put it in the middle, and then you're gonna push it into the hole. After that, you can just pull it. So as you can see already, up and down a couple of times. And just push this inside. When you need some force. Yeah, as you can see, it takes some force. Left around 1 inch ahead, and then you can put it straight out, just like that. I'll leave it there for about 5 minutes and give it some time to cure, to dry, and then you can cut the actuator. So probably 5 minutes. What we're gonna see, let's see later. All right, you can either use a cutter or a knife to cut the actuator. After 5 to 10 minutes, it's up to you. Then you can just easily cut it off. The rest will be, any extra will be kind of wear out themselves when you're driving. After that, just pump up the car. So with this Victor tire repair kit or any repair kit, you can easily get it fixed within 5 minutes. So good luck, peace.